Okay, in this part of the exercise, I'm going to look at progress at the end of period 2. And for illustrative purposes, we have our earned value information up here, and I've also included the time phase budget down below. This on your assignment appears on a separate page, but it's easier visually if we have both of these documents in front of us. So let's say at the end of the second week, the people working on task A say that they're 75% done and they spent $25,000. The people working on activity B say they're halfway done and they spent $12,000. And so a total of $37,000 has been spent at the end of second period. So earned value. Earned value is how much work have we accomplished in terms of what we planned. And we've accomplished 75% of that. So we take that 75%, multiply it by the total cost for activity A, 40, and that gives us an earned value of 30. Activity B is 50%. We take 50% of 32, and that's 16. Now, what was planned at the end of the second period? We look down here, and at the end of the second period, we were supposed to have accomplished $20,000 worth of work of A and $12,000 worth of work on B. So that goes into the planned value column. Now we can create two of the important indices used to gauge progress. Cost variance, which equals earned value minus actual cost, and schedule variance, which equals earned value minus planned value. So we subtract 25 from 30, and we have a cost variance of 5. 12 from 16, 4. Total that up, 9. And while I'm at it, I'll total that number up, and I'll go ahead and total this number up. So this is saying is that we're $5,000 under budget for the work we've done so far in activity A. And $4,000 for the work for activity B. So a total of $9,000 under budget, which is good. Now let's look at schedule variance. Earned value minus planned value. 10 for A and 4 for B. And if you look down here, in both cases, we've accomplished more work than what we had planned. We were supposed to do 20,000, we got 30,000. And we were supposed to have done 12, we've got 16. So there's $14,000 of planned work that we've done ahead of schedule at the end of the second period. So in terms of status, this project's off to a good start. We're ahead of schedule and we're under budget.